Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of m and n when given 4 to the power of m minus 36 to the power of n is equals to 28. So what is the value of m and what is the value of n? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So our first step will begin by 4 to the power of m, which we can write it as, so 4 we can write it to the base of 2. So this will be 2 squared, all this to the power of m, minus 36 we can write it as 6 squared, all this to the power of n, is equals to 28. Okay, so our next step, we're going to use this rule of indices, whereby if you have a to the power of x, all this to the power of y is equals to a to the power of xy, which is equals to a to the power of y, all this to the power of x. So interchanging the exponent. So we are going to apply the same here for our case. So this will be 2 to the power of m, all this squared, minus 6 to the power of n, all this squared, is equals to 28. Okay, so you can see this is a difference of 2 squared, whereby if you have a squared minus b squared, we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we are going to express this whereby our a is equals to 2 to the power of m and our b is equals to 6 to the power of n. So let us express this into this form. Thereby this will be 2 to the power of m plus 6 to the power of n into bracket 2 to the power of m minus 6 to the power of n is equals to 28. Good. So their product is equals to 28. So you can see these numbers are the same, but the difference is only the sign. So we have here positive and negative. So this means that 2 to the power of m plus 6 to the power of n into bracket is greater than 2 to the power of m minus 6 to the power of n. So their product is equals to 28. So we are going now to look for the factors of 28, which are 1 times 28, this is 28. We can have 2 times 14 gives us 28. 7 times 4 gives us 28. Okay, and then we have 2 to the power of m. So 2 to the power of any number is even, and 6 to the power of any number is even. So all this is even, and then on the other side 2 to the power of m is even, and 2 to the power of any number is even. So this side is even. So what we are going to do, we're going to pick numbers, 2 numbers here that are even. So 1 is odd, so we shall reject this. 2 and 14 are both even. 7 is odd, so we shall then reject this. So we are going to take 2 and 14. So 2 and 14. So on this side, 2 to the power of m plus 6 to the power of n is greater than 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of 6. So we are going to give this side the larger number, and we are going to give this side the least number. So this will be 2 to the power of m plus 6 to the power of n is equals to 14. Then 2 to the power of m minus 6 to the power of n is equals to 2. Good. So this is a simultaneous equation. We can solve it using elimination, whereby we shall add. So 2m plus 2m, so this will be 2 times 2 to the power of n. Then 6n minus 6n, this is 0, is equals to 14 plus 2, this is 16. So we shall divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So this and this will cancel. then 2 to the power of m is equals to 8. So we can now get the value of m. This means that 2 to the power of m is equals to 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. So our bases are the same. We can equate our exponent. So m is equals to 3. So we now have the value of m. So now let us now get the value of n. Using this equation here, this one, so 2 to the power of m plus 6 to the power of n is equals to 14. We have the value of m as 3, so 2 to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of n is equals to 14. So this is 8 plus 6 to the power of n is equals to 14. So 6 to the power of n is equals to 14 minus 8, which is 6. So 6 we can power it to 1. So 6 to the power of 6 is basically 1. Our bases are the same, equate our exponent. So n is equals to 1. So we now have the value of m and n. So let us check to verify whether m and n, their value satisfies our given equation. So we had 4 to the power of m minus 36 to the power of n is equals to 28. So we have m as 3. So 4 to the power of 3 minus 36 to the power of 1 is equals to 28. So this is 64 minus 36 is equals to 28. So 28 is equals to 28. Our left hand side and our right hand side are the same, meaning m is equals to 3 satisfies our given equation and n is equals to 1 satisfies our given equation. So remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Tell us if you have another method to solve this equation. Bye bye. See you in my next video.